Hello, today I'll be going to teach you how to use any proxy connection. So first we go and download this app. It's called Every Proxy. I've already downloaded it. As you can see, here it is. So let's go back to Play Store. Then we search for the app. Okay, so you just install it and wait it until you see the open button. Then go ahead and open it. After opening it, when you are connected to your VPN server or what else, a VPN connection you're having, and you want to share it to your PC or anything, just turn on your hotspot on, then go over to these three dots here, then go to settings, then IP addresses. So these are the available ones. So I recommend you just pick one of these, maybe let's say this. You can change your port, maybe let's say 8, okay, sorry, 8000. We can use just 88, but 880 power save. These are just common things. Then if you want to use SOCKS 4 or 5 proxy, you can also do the same. Just go there, pick any proxy you want in the port. It can just remain the way it is. If you want to authenticate, it's well and good for you. Both of them have them. So and then you can go ahead and so that means that you have already enabled your proxy settings. So when you connect to your Wi-Fi network, go to your PC and set up this proxy. You'll be able to use it. For the SOCKS, it's just the same. Just connect to that host and the port and you'll be able to use it. You'll just see the changes over here. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. And please remember to subscribe to my channel for more and more of this content.